This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Diana Germain. Welcome to the Waterfront at Parkside, where this meticulously crafted 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath traditional ranch-style home awaits. Step inside to find an inviting open floor plan with open kitchen to family room, mudroom and drop zone from the garage with custom cabinetry. The kitchen includes a pantry and breakfast area, tiled backsplash and floor. A separate dining area and elegant walk-through butler's pantry with wine fridge offers a setting for formal gatherings. There is also finished flex space over the garage, and added 3-season back porches for relaxing with morning coffee or entertaining when the sun sets. The primary ensuite features a soaking tub and separate shower that showcases recently upgraded modern vanity tops and fixtures. Living at the waterfront at Parkside means enjoying community amenities like a dog park, a junior Olympic-sized pool, and a beautiful clubhouse. The picturesque Bennetts Creek Park provides public boat ramps, dock, frisbee golf, summer entertainment. October 15, 2024. For more information, review the details below.